Man, I'm sick of rolling up these straps. So let me show you what I did. Everybody uses these kind of straps in their trucks. You know who you are. Try to hook them down, hook them into this right here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've ordered some straps for this new F250, and the straps I ordered are called rad straps. They came in today, and we're gonna unbox them. We're gonna check them out and see what they're all about. Let's see what these things are all about. Well, there's bolts just loose down in here. Wonder what that's all about. There's an empty bag. I'm assuming they were in that bag during shipping, and there's more loose bolts coming out everywhere. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bolts. Oh, there's number 8 right there. Let's see what this come with. Well, this is sticky bubble wrap. I never seen sticky bubble wrap before. It's new to me. Oh, well, that's kind of neat. Those are just tie hooks that go on the side. And I like how they've got rad printed on them. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you got the word rad cut out in the metal. Well, let's check out one of these now. Well, these say rad too. All right. I don't know how they work yet, but oh, well, isn't that cool? Well, that's neat. Oh, and it'll put tension on it and just press it. Well, that's cool. Let's get these installed. Put all these bolts here in. I'm gonna put these on. These are 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna put them on facing up. I don't know if you're supposed to have them facing up or down, but it looks like you'd be tying something up high. So I'm gonna try it this way. And if I need to go the other way, I can. No biggie. I always like to start my bolt before I put this impact wrench on them because, man, this Hart tool, it'll twist them in half. All right. Let's see. That's nice right there. You can't beat that. That'll work. Well, that's why we put these rad straps on here, so when you're sick of rolling them up, you can just push this button here, pull out what you need, hook it to the other side. I need to pull it a little bit further. Hook it to the other side, get it nice and taut, and now you're ready to go. And then when you get done, you just press it in, pull it out, take it loose, and then push the button, and it reels right back up on itself. No more rolling up straps with rad straps.